Today we are going to see about the global recognition for traditional knowledge and myself or Harimuthu Chandran. Okay, first, what is traditional knowledge? Traditional knowledge is a knowledge system possessed by various communities across the globe. Such knowledge has been accumulated over the years and has been used and passed down through several generations. It is usually with respect to the natural surroundings of the community and includes agricultural knowledge such as manner of cultivation, environmental knowledge, and the knowledge of medicines. Then traditional knowledge. For the Article 8J, recognize the effort of local and indigenous communities in preserving this biological diversity through traditional knowledge and holds that they too are entitled to share the benefits obtained out of such use. Therefore, it forms an obligation on all state parties to protect the traditional knowledge within their frontiers. Why should we protect traditional knowledge? The answer to this can be found in the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity 1992, wherein the convention reaffirmed the sovereign rights of states to protect their biological resource. The primary objective of the convention was the conservation of biological diversity, sustainable use of the same, and equitable sharing of the benefits arising out of the use of such biological resource. How is traditional knowledge protected in India? India is a party to the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity, by virtue of which it enhanced the Biological Diversity Act 2002. The Act aims at the conservation of biological diversity, sustainable use of its compound, and fair and equitable sharing of the benefits that arises from the use of biological resource. The Act provides for the establishment of a national biodiversity authority in order to protect the invaluable treasure of Indian biodiversity. How is traditional knowledge protected in India? In addition to this, the Government of India has established the Traditional Knowledge Digital Library for the protection of Indian traditional knowledge. What is traditional knowledge digital library? The struggle that India had to undergo to nullify the patent granted to the turmeric brought to the forefront the dismal state of documentation of Indian traditional knowledge. Had there been prior proper documentation, turmeric would not have been granted a patent in the first place. However, better later than never, the Indian government realized the necessity for the documentation of valuable traditional knowledge of the country, and in pursuance of this created the Traditional Knowledge Digital Library, an integrated global biopiracy watch system that allows for the monitoring of patent applications that seek to patent Indian medical systems. It serves as a prior art registry and as a defensive mechanism against biopiracy. What is Traditional Knowledge Digital Library? The TKDL is a joint effort of a Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and the Department of Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, and Homeopathy, Ayush. It enables effective detection of attempts to misappropriate this knowledge by third parties filling applications with patent offices around the world. At present, while access to the Traditional Knowledge Digital Library is available to 9 international patent offices: European Patent Office, United States Patent and Trademark Office, Japan Patent Office, United Kingdom Patent Office, Canadian Intellectual Property Office, German Patent Office, Intellectual Property Australia, Indian Patent Office, and Chile Patent Office. By the way of TKDL access non-disclosure agreement, talks are underway with Russia and Malaysia. However, there has been a drawback to the TKDL. After the setting up of the TKDL, India has challenged several claims of patent across the world. However, concerns have arisen as to whether the money spent by India to sustain the TKDL is worthwhile. Several other countries, such as South Korea, have a system similar to that of TKDL, yet spend a fraction of the amount of spent by India. Thank you.